Okay. Okay, can you see it, Emma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, last time I taught you the use of petroleum. Can you read natural gas, Emma? Read the portion of natural gas.
Yes, ma'am. Natural gas is found in between many layers of coal and petroleum. This is stored in as CNG under high pressure. This is important. This is an important source of energy and is taken from one place to another with the help of pipes. CNG is used in vehicles also. This is a less polluting fluid. This means CNG produces less pollution. There are many sources of natural gas in our country. Natural gas is found in Rajasthan, Tripura, Maharashtra, and
Tripura.
and
Godavari, Krishna, Delta.
okay.
Okay. Godavari, Krishna, Delta. Now, I think I've taught you CNG. So what happens is that there is a fuel called natural gas, and when high pressure is applied, and high pressure under high pressure, it is compressed. Okay, high pressure is applied and it is compressed under high pressure, and then it is stored in cylinders and all. And for it to travel from one place to another or transport it, they also use pipes. Okay. Also, this produces very less pollution. Okay, compressed natural gas compared to other fuels such as coal and petroleum. Okay, and in our country there are many sources where natural gas is obtained, and some of the major places are Rajasthan, Tripura, Maharashtra, and Godavari Krishna Delta. Okay, that is about natural gas. Now, conservation of limited resources. Natural resources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas are available in a fixed amount in nature, and it can be ended by our use. Those fossil fuels are formed after lakhs of years, therefore, it's necessary to use them well. Okay. Burning of coal and petroleum as fuels cause air pollution. They are limited resources which only last for 100 years. And burning of fossil fuel produces CO2, which increases the temperature of the earth. Okay, I taught you this.
Yes, ma'am.
We didn't do 19.5, right?
Yes, no, we didn't, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Emma. Dash is used as fuel in vehicles for less pollution.
CNG,
CNG. Then next one. Coal and petroleum are dash fuels.
natural food. No,
Fossil fossil fuels.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Many useful products are formed by petroleum dash.
Um, uh, ma'am, wait one. Give me 1 second. Let me think.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I think that uh, uh,
Yes.
many useful products are formed by petroleum refining.
Refining also. I think it's refining. Okay. Many useful products are found by the refining of petroleum. Okay, true. Coal tar is used in making
Uh, dyes and perfume.
say again.
Dyes, like
Dyes. Okay.
this one. And I think also perfume.
No, not the dyes. Coal tar was used to make roads, Emma.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. They used coal tar to make roads. Okay, now
Okay, ma'am.
say yes, no, true or false. Has Abraham joined?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay. All right. So we will do this thing. True or false. CNG produces more pollution than petroleum. True or false?
No.
No.
Ma'am, sorry,
Coke.
ma'am.
Hello, Abraham. It's okay, Abraham. It's fine. Okay. And what we are doing is the exercises of this lesson. Okay. Now, Coke is the purest form of carbon. True or false?
Ma'am, no
Ma'am,
activity
yes.
today, ma'am.
Shalom.
Ma'am,
1 second. Yeah? 1 second.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now tell me, Abraham and Emma.
Ma'am, the answer for the second one is yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, fossil fuels can be prepared in laboratories. Yes or no?
Ma'am, happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you, Abraham.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
Emma. Yes.
no project today.
No project today. Um. Okay. Yeah, we were supposed
Not
to
in
do.
my house. I cannot do the project.
Okay. Emma is not having her laptop. She just has her phone today.
Yeah, sir.
Phone.
So
I've joined through phone because I'm not in my house and there's no Wi-Fi.
Okay, ma'am. Then, ma'am, can we do the project on
Monday.
when, ma'am?
Monday
Monday
shall
is the
we do?
next possible day.
Oh, ma'am, can we do
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
later today, ma'am?
Later today. Abraham,
No, ma'am.
later
I won't
today.
be home at any time in today.
Okay. Even I won't be able to take later today because I have like other classes today. So I can take like I'll be taking Abraham's at 10 and then I have like the rest of the classes, secondary level. Okay. So today is not possible for me, but Monday we can do it in the class itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can fossil fuels be prepared in laboratories?
Ma'am, the answer was, I think, the answer for the second one was yes.
You said third one.
Okay, ma'am. One second.
Yeah.
Ma'am, no.
Yes. Fossil fuels cannot be prepared in the laboratories because it needs a natural environment and atmospheric pressure um, under the soil, like the natural way for it to be created. More carbon dioxide can make the world hot, yes or no?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. Yeah, it's not like hot means here warm, like global warming something or when the earth's the temperature rises around us. So that is the effect of more carbon dioxide. There are reserves of natural gas in India, in Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Um, shall I show you a natural gas plant or natural gas factory? I recently went to one and I do not remember what the coal. It was, I think, a natural gas plant. I was driving in that place some time back. Show you.
Ma'am, you know how to drive?
I learned how to drive. I just need, like, I was learning driving only that time, and there was a track inside and around the entire factory. So I saw the mine also when I was learning to drive. I think that was a coal mine in which I went, and this is how this thing looks like. Natural gas plant looks like. Can you see? The tanks and pipes are all there. Okay. The yellow staircase, if you can see, is for climbing up the pipes and fixing the walls. Okay. That is the stairs are for. And the big tanks are for storing it, such as this one for storing it. Okay. And then pipes are there like this to transport it from one area to another. Okay. Then if you can see in this image, there are walls to, like, when they open it, the gas transfers to other places and close it so that it stops. That is why the valves are there. This is a natural gas plant. I will show you a coal plant also. This is coal plant, something like this. Okay. Okay. We will continue now from what we were doing. Now, terminal exercises. What are the types of natural resources? Explain with example. Can you tell me what are the types of natural resources?
Ma'am, coal.
Okay. I think it's soil, air, and
Oh,
water.
like that.
Okay. Because
Yes, ma'am.
here coal, petroleum, and natural gas are either you can put in the category of mineral elements or fossil fuels, coal and petroleum.
Yes, ma'am.
All three mineral elements, but natural resources are your water, soil, and air. What are the elements of air? Prepare a diagram. Can you tell me what are the elements of air? What does air comprises of?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah.
Total elements of air. Ma'am, oxygen, carbon dioxide, I think nitrogen, and there was something agon, and
Methane.
other gases.
1 second. There was oxygen, nitrogen, carbon
Oxygen,
dioxide.
carbon dioxide, and there was also I have studied it something argon or something it is, and other also is.
Okay. You have to write the main, these three only. Okay. These three only are there. Main one, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. And when they ask you to prepare a diagram now, the elements, prepare this flow chart.
Yeah.
Okay. Like 70, make like 3/4 nitrogen, 1/4 oxygen, and a little bit in between
Ma'am,
CO2 and air.
Yeah.
Yes. Huh?
ma'am, can I just say something else, ma'am? Ma'am, we could just find 21% of 360, 1% of 360, and 78% of 360, and then draw the pie chart like that.
Okay. Okay, Abraham, fine enough. You can do that. Okay. You can do that. But just make sure you have time for doing that. Okay. If you have time for doing that, calculate and making a pie chart, you can do well and good. But if no, then you just have to, you can just do it by
To clarify, ma'am, this is the test, right?
in the test, yes.
So,
In the
ma'am,
test, you,
just before the test, ma'am, I will revise, no, ma'am, I will revise the numbers.
you
So
will
that
revise
I
the
have
numbers.
calculated all again.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, Abraham. No problem. You can do that. Now, you can also mention that other than this, air has water vapor, dust particles, smoke, and other gases. The main elements or the main uh, gases present in the air are nitrogen, oxygen, CO2. Other than this, it also has water vapor, dust particles, and other gases. Smoke.
No,
This
but
thing
it's
also.
never the same. So it's like always going to be like variable amounts.
Yeah.
Um,
Now, next question. Next question is, why is air necessary?
Ma'am, it provides oxygen for breathing.
Okay, and
When we breathe out carbon dioxide in the air,
It defends us from
it,
space, like the set for space, like a vacuum
okay. Mm-hmm.
and also asteroids. Because of the
Okay.
friction air, I think because of the friction air generates, it burns the asteroids or something like
ma'am,
that.
and also carbon dioxide in the air is used by plants for photosynthesis.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
and also without it, you couldn't make a fire. You need air for fire.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Nitrogen also.
Now,
Yes.
I would kind of disagree with the thing that we could not make a tire.
Not a tire, a fire, Abraham.
Oh,
Okay. A fire.
Without a fire, you can only have um.
Oxygen.
Without oxygen, you cannot have a fire because fire needs oxygen in the air.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. So, these are all the importance of air. Now, how can we stop air pollution?
Ma'am, we can use CNG in vehicles. Like you using CNG.
Reduces pollution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Yes. What else?
also, ma'am, avoid using actually uh, plastics because we can use like other materials as things.
Emma, plastics are irreplaceable on. Unless somebody's going to find another compound, plastics are almost irreplaceable.
Yeah,
Plastics
true.
can be replaced, but
No,
people
like
do
I'm
not.
saying avoiding the use, like if you go to the market, most of them will give you a plastic bag to carry your stuff in. So rather
Mm-hmm.
than that, you can just take your own like cloth bag.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. That is also good alternative, Emma. These days, like people, some stores, if like some particular brands, they give you jute bags. Okay, jute
Okay.
bags, such as like I went to some. There are some jewelry brands such as Tanishq and all, and some jewelers they give you a jute bag,
They'll give you
and then
cloth bags.
some give you cloth bags. Okay, some give you jute bags. Some give you paper bags. Like if you are going to purchase certain things, they give you paper bags.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
That happens
there
in
is
like
like,
McDonald's and all these fast food restaurants. Also, if you go, then you'll get a
yeah, so there is reduction now in the use of plastic bags, but still it is there locally. When we are buying anything, they give us plastic bags only. So many people bring their own to avoid that plastic. But um, air pollution is caused by burning of plastic more. Okay, using of
um,
plastic causes soil pollution, but burning of plastic causes air pollution. Suppose I collect a lot of plastics, okay, polythene bags and so much plastic, and then I burn it. So it releases all those chemical substances and harmful gases into the air, which causes air pollution. But if I throw a polythene bag on the land, it causes soil pollution. Understood?
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, do you know that scientists found this organism living deep in the Amazon rainforest, which is able to, like, if it gets in onto a plastic substance, it's able to kind of like make it smushy and all. And that now scientists are trying to explore this organism and find out whether it can we introduce this to dumps, garbage dumps, or and even if it's still even after it does its work, is the plastics or everything decomposable?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, that is good. If they find it actually it is good, then we can actually decompose plastics. Yes.
But
Now,
ma'am, we'll have to keep it in a controlled environment because these organisms are fungus
okay, they are fungus.
and they spread through spores. So imagine one day you don't have all your plastic because the fungus ate it.
Yeah. Yes.
That
Okay.
would be funny.
Yeah. You wouldn't have all your plastics because of fungus ate it. Hmm. Now what
Ma'am, when we're
are
talking plastics, like
yeah.
we count also like tires as plastic, right?
I think
What is
scientists are
plastic?
also working on this other thing. So I think they attach like a something that filters the carbon out of factories, and this carbon can be used to make diamonds.
Mm-hmm. That is true, Abraham. Carbon
So,
is used to make artificial diamonds in the
So,
laboratory.
ma'am, so instead of waste letting all the carbon go in the air, ma'am, they can take it from the factories and make more diamonds.
ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
but also one thing, like in the air, normally carbon is needed for plants to do like to have food basically, photosynthesis.
Carbon dioxide is needed by the plants to do
Yes, ma'am.
photosynthesis. True. But there are
Yes,
like sources of carbon dioxide.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, there's a lot.
yes, there's a lot of sources of CO2. Okay, oxygen is given by plants, but carbon dioxide and all. Um,
Yeah.
Emma, we should be the major source of giving carbon dioxide. Humans, not
yes,
factories or.
Yeah, when we have air, then we produce, like we give out the carbon dioxide.
yes,
Ma'am, if people are
yes,
smart
Ibrahim.
enough, they may find a way to take all the carbon from the factories nozzle, ma'am. And then
Hmm.
what they could do with it, they could turn it back into coal.
Turn it back into coal.
Yes, ma'am. So they'll have another fossil fuel.
Okay, I think that is impossible
Yeah.
because once it changes its state, the coal, okay, and becomes carbon. Again, turning it into coal, that is the original way, that doesn't come from carbon, it comes from dead and decaying remains of plants and animals under layers and layers of the earth and
But ma'am,
atmospheric
coal
pressure.
is carbon, right, ma'am?
Yes, it is carbon. It becomes carbon, but to turn it back into its original state, I don't think that is like really possible. Okay, but finding an alternative of coal we can do. Okay, or limiting the use of it we can do. Finding alternatives, limiting its use. These are the measures that we can take to preserve it. Okay. Also, in like air pollution, we can avoid burning firecrackers, avoid burning our garbage. Then there is you can use your in your vehicles. You can check with pollution control. If your vehicle is like causing too much pollution, then you can get.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it is possible.
it is possible.
You can make a carbon-based product resembling coal by converting atmospheric carbon dioxide (CO2) into solid carbon using a liquid metal die cast and a small amount of electricity at room temperature.
Okay. All right. You can also check out if people have done this. Okay.
This process was developed by researchers in Australia.
Okay. Did they were they able to do it?
Um, ma'am, can I just go through it, ma'am, and then tell you in like 5 minutes?
Yeah, you can tell me later. Okay. Has Joshua joined?
Yes, ma'am.
So sorry we went over time, Joshua. Okay. Hmm. We went over time with the science class, but we will do maths.
Ma'am, you didn't take the break, ma'am.
I didn't take the
Break. You
break.
usually 5 minute break.
Yeah, I usually give break, but today we started quite late, Joshua.
Okay, ma'am.
They're around 15 to 20 minutes late, the science class, so that is why. Okay, Emma and Abraham, did I tell you for a test today? Maths, ninth chapter.
Ma'am, did you say it was on Wednesday?
Did I see to some
Wednesday?
Wednesday? No, I told you Monday, I think so. Oh, sorry, Friday. Did I like shift it to?
No, ma'am. You said Tuesday, and that Tuesday I wasn't available next. I'm not available next Tuesday, so you shifted it to Wednesday, ma'am.
Next week, Wednesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Next week, Wednesday. Next week, Wednesday, I will take your test. Okay. Then.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, while
Ma'am,
you're
I
talking,
prepared
ma'am, I went to
the
the
chapter.
article. It says that chemist Donna Eresifilet and Dankney of RMIT, they they basically did this experiment and they did it. And they used a certain type of the one I told you earlier, and the carbon became a so the bonus is that the carbon has become a supercapacitor that can be used as a component in future vehicles.
It became a what?
Supercapacitor.
Okay. That can be used in future vehicles.
Yes, ma'am, I can send you the article.
Okay.
And ma'am, before this, there were also ways to make carbon, I think.
All right.
I'm sent you.
Okay, Abraham. I'll check it. I'll check it out. I think we are just almost over with this chapter. 11th chapter on angles. This whiteboard is not loading. Okay. All right. So, what all angles did I have I taught you till now? Can anyone just tell me?
Ma'am, 40 degree.
40 degree. We did 40. We did 90.
Ma'am, we did 150 and 120 and 60.
30.
90, 150,
Ma'am, we not done
120,
15.
60. We have not done 15.
30, ma'am. We did 30.
30 we did. I taught you 115 also. And
I think you taught us 70.
70.
I think so. Yeah, ma'am, 70, I think.
Ma'am, we have
Okay.
not done 90.
90.
We did 90.
So like 45, 45.
45. I think I have taught you 45 or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, make 60.
But
60
ma'am,
degrees.
45 is just dissecting 90 degrees, right?
Right. 45 is just bisecting 90 and 15 is just bisecting 30. Okay. Okay, draw this thing, 45. Make a line segments. AB.
Ma'am, can I not draw 45 degrees, ma'am, because I know how to draw it?
No, you have to still draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. I didn't see no action.
Okay, Joshua. This will give you just a practice, Abraham, okay? Make an arc by putting your compass on A points. Mark this point O. I am making 60. Make 60 by putting your compass on O. Mark it C points. Putting your compass on C, cut another arc on the first one here and make 120 degree. Mark this point D. Now using the points C and D, okay, first put your compass on C and cut an arc on the top. Now put your compass on D and cut this arc on top. Mark this point E. Join EA. Now we will bisect it. Okay. We will bisect it 90. Okay. How to bisect it? Abraham, tell me what is the next step?
Ma'am, bisect is like giving the middle of the angle.
Okay. How am I going to do it, Abraham? Next step?
Ma'am, here's how I just did it, ma'am. What I did is I extended the arc. I put my compass on angle E, on point E. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Without changing the radius.
Then
Since the radius for angle A to angle O is the same, we basically drew that arc. And now from angle E, just has to bisect that arc. That will be our 45 degrees.
okay, what did you extend?
Wait, ma'am. Wait. Then won't be our 45 degrees. Sorry.
Check once again, Abraham. Okay. Have you all done till 90 degree?
Ma'am, the whiteboard is black, ma'am.
Whiteboard is not showing?
Yes, it's not showing, ma'am. Wait just a moment, ma'am.
Okay. One moment. Let me check why it's not showing.
Ma'am, from angle E, you extend your compass a little bit, ma'am, and then you draw an arc. And then from angle O, you keep that same radius and then you cut an arc. Then it should give you 45 degrees.
Is it showing?
Ma'am, I'm just putting it. 1 minute.
My whiteboard.
The line.
Mark this point here where the big semicircle arc your straight line is cutting that I've marked with blue. Okay. I'm naming it point P. P. Okay. Now using P and O, we will bisect and make 45 degree. So using the P that I just made, okay, that I just marked using the point P, you cut an arc here, where? Here. Okay. And using O, then putting your compass on O, you cut another arc here. Okay. Now you join this arc with a line. Okay. And mark this point Q.
Ma'am, I got it.
Basically, this is your 45 degree.
Ma'am, I found out a way to draw 50 degree.
Okay, that is good. So this is why we need to practice so that we can know what we know. Okay.
I
Yes.
found a method for calculating 50.
Okay. What is it?
Ma'am, same 90 degree construction, ma'am. I just constructed and I'll show you, ma'am.
Abraham, I cannot really see it because no two devices today.
Ma'am, so you take the angle and you extend it just a little bit.
Which angle?
So your compass and then you extend it just a little bit and then you continue drawing.
Okay.
Got it.
Put the heading constructing 45 degree. Angle.
Ma'am, it's not giving me, so it's not 50 degrees. Ma'am, it's 45.6. 7.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
47.
47. Then there is a mistake, Abraham. Maybe your compass moved or something.
Okay, ma'am. Because last
Okay.
time I was doing
Redo it. Last time. Okay. Yes. Last time it happened, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not sure. It must have given me somewhat 50.
Okay. Okay, Joshua, Emma, are you able to draw 45 degree?
Ma'am, it's a little hard, and I again put it to the wrong side of the page. I have to try again, ma'am.
Okay, try again, Joshua, and like always make it at the center of the page. Okay, always make your line segments at the center of the page. Okay, and make big line, like a little bit of big line and a big semicircle arc. Okay, so that you can easily do it. It's like clear. You know, you can make it covering half a page, big angle, big diagram. Okay, half page covering big diagram, so everything is easily visible. And then label it nicely, label all the points. Okay. Okay, Joshua, it is easy. See, understood 90, right? You understood 90.
Yes.
Yes. So the line of 90 that we make na straight line, that line which is cutting the semicircle arc na. So in the point where the straight line is cutting the semicircle arc, you mark a point. Okay. You mark that point dark with pencil, dark point, and then name it with any alphabet. Okay. Then you take this points. Okay. I have named it P. Okay. And then O. O is the one from which you make 60 degree. Okay. O point where semicircle is cutting your line segment, na, that point. So these 2 points you take and you cut 2 arcs. And that is your 45 degree. Using P. Okay. Towards the right side, you cut an arc. And then using O, cut another arc, cutting this arc. Okay. That is just your 45 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It's easy. Very easy. Abraham, did you try out those chapters that I explained to you in science exercises?
Ma'am, I'm doing them, ma'am.
You're doing them. Okay. When are your exams?
Ma'am, I don't know actually.
Okay. Maybe by the end of this month, right?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Hmm. Also, one more thing. What is it? E and A that you are joining 90 degree. What is the main angle that we are drawing right now, Joshua?
Pardon, ma'am?
What is the main angle that we are drawing right now in this one?
Main angle, I think it's A.
45 degree.
Sorry, ma'am.
45 degrees is the main angle that we are drawing. So the 90 degree line now that I have drawn, this 90 degree line will be dotted. Okay. You can make this 90 degree line dotted because it is not the main angle. The main angle we are doing is 45 degrees. So this 90 you can put with dotted lines. Okay. Okay, done everybody?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet. Am I Abraham? Am I Abraham? Start writing the steps of construction for this one. Okay, tell me, can you form the steps of construction on your own now?
Yes, ma'am, it's very easy. Draw 90 and then bisect it.
No, not like this, Abraham. It is not a two-step process. Okay. When you're writing the steps of construction, you start with the first thing and then do it step by step. Like first is draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter. Whatever measurement you're taking, now mention that. Okay. Draw a line segment AB 6 centimeter. Then using A as center, cut an arc cutting the line segment, or draw a semicircle cutting
Ma'am,
AB at O. Yes, Joshua?
it's
Hello?
ma'am. Is it I found out. Well, I did find out, I think, but now it seemed pretty hard for me to like draw the D using A.
No. Using A, you don't have to do D using A. You have to do D using C, Joshua.
No, I mean, like, how are you supposed to use the C? Do
You
C?
put you put your compass on C. You made C, right? Now
Ma'am,
put your
that
compass
is
on
in a different one, ma'am.
different one. How?
No, ma'am, I had made a second one, ma'am,
Mm.
and I made the line. I didn't mark the point yet.
Mark the points. Then tell me how, till where is it done?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see, ma'am? Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Yes. I was asking till where is it done, Joshua?
Yeah, ma'am. I haven't. I just drew the line A and B, and I just drew the circle, ma'am. I haven't done anything else, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay. Just see this video that I'm showing you. Okay. And try once again. Like whatever you have done till now. After that, try. Okay. Watch it nicely.
A 45-degree angle. In this video, we will see how to construct a 45-degree angle by using a compass. Take a ruler and draw a horizontal line and label its endpoints as A and B. To construct a 45-degree angle, first, we need to construct a 90-degree angle. To do so, take a compass and adjust it to some length, and using point A as a center, cut an arc as shown. After this, without changing the length of the compass and using these intersection points as center, cut arcs as shown. Using these points as center, cut arcs as
Joshua, this is C. Okay, the first one that he cut. This dot on A and B is O point. Okay. Then he cut C, that was in my diagram, and then D. Okay. Now we will make 90 degree using C and D, that is the 2 points on the semicircle.
shown. Draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A of the line.
So this is 90 degree, Joshua. Understood? Now,
okay, ma'am.
okay. Now see how we will make 45.
This angle will be 90 degrees. Now we can construct a 45-degree angle. We can see this total angle is 90 degrees, half of this will be 45 degrees. Therefore, we have to divide this angle in half. To do so, take a compass and use these points as centers and cut arcs as shown. After this, draw a line passing through this point from endpoint A. This is the required 45-degree angle. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel ADTW Learn,
Understood, Joshua?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is how they have made 45 degree. Okay. Now you can try it. What you'll to do today, I'll give you some new angle bisectors to try out at home. Okay. I will give you some angle bisectors to try out at home today. Okay. For example, draw 35 degree. Okay. And all as homework. So you can make the major angle. Okay. What is it? Double of 35? 70. So draw 70 and bisect. Okay. Draw 70 and bisect. Like this, I can give you angles. Okay. To draw. You can even draw, bisect 15 more. Okay. You can also bisect 45. Okay. You can bisect all the angles basically. Okay. Joshua, now you're able to make it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Just open your book 1 second. Okay. Check this out with me. So we in the 11th chapter we saw what is an angle. Okay, we saw how to measure an angle, how to draw angles 60, 120, 90, 30, 40 I taught you, 70, 90, 110, 150. Okay, all of these angles I taught you. Then I taught you types of angles, okay, and pairs of angles. Adjacent, linear pair, complementary, supplementary, all of this. Okay. Now parallel and non-parallel lines also I have taught you. Okay. Pairs of parallel lines. Did I taught you corresponding angles and interior angles? I think I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now verification for corresponding angles I will teach you on Monday. Okay. Wednesday I'll take your test. Okay. Of ninth chapter, 9.1 to 9.3. And Monday we will do measuring the angles. Okay. Verification for interior angles, corresponding angles. And we'll then learn to draw parallel lines and we'll finish the lesson. Okay. Okay, perpendicular lines is also there. We'll learn how to draw perpendicular lines, how to draw parallel lines using set square. Okay. And then, okay, some chapters still left. Yeah. Okay. Chapters still left. We'll do it. The remaining portion. Monday, Tuesday. Shall I keep your test? Okay, Wednesday is the test, na, next week. From Thursday on, you have your Diwali break start. Okay.
Pardon, ma'am? Sorry, ma'am, I didn't hear, ma'am.
Wednesday I'll take test. Thursday you have your Diwali break starting from the 14th of October till the 18th October.
Okay, ma'am.
Friday, Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, I think it's 1 second. Just a second. From Tuesday only your Diwali breaks are starting, na? Shall I keep the test Monday? Then you're not available, Joshua, Monday.
I'm not available on Tuesday, ma'am.
Not available on Tuesday. Are you available Monday, Joshua?
I think so, ma'am.
You think so? 13th. Monday is 13th.
Yes, ma'am, we're available.
I will take the test Monday. Okay? Because Tuesday, you have the valid breaks from Tuesday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'll take your test Monday only. Okay. And we will stop here for today. Okay. Angle is done, Joshua.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. See you all next week. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.